Hello, friends. Welcome back to English with SMG. My name is Sam. Today, we have a guest on our podcast. Her name is Lisa.
Thanks, Sam. I am happy to be here today.
Lisa, today is a special day for our show.
Yes, Sam. We will talk about something very interesting. What is our topic today?
Today, we will help you make plans for next year.
Planning. That is important, but sometimes difficult.
Do not worry, we will make it easy for everyone. Before we start, I want to ask our friends something.
Yes. If you enjoy this podcast, please press the like button.
And do not forget to subscribe. We make new videos every day.
Share this with your friends, too. Learning together is more fun.
Okay, Lisa, I'm ready. How do I start planning?
The first thing is to think about this year.
You mean look at the past?
Exactly. We need to remember what happened
Why is that important?
because it shows us what made us happy.
Oh, I understand. We think about good memories.
Yes. Take a piece of paper, write 3 good things from this year.
Let me try. This year I learned to swim. That was great.
Perfect example. Swimming made you feel good.
Yes, the water was cold, but I enjoyed it.
So you write that down. It helps you understand yourself.
Okay, step 1 is done. What comes next?
Now we think about next year, but be smart.
Be smart. What do you mean?
Many people want to do too many things.
Oh, yes, I always do that. I say I will exercise every day, eat healthy food, and study 3 hours daily.
Sam, that is way too much. You will feel tired very fast.
You're right. I usually stop after 2 weeks.
That is why we pick only one main thing.
Only one? Just one goal?
Yes, one big thing you really want.
That is easier. I think my goal is to improve my health.
Excellent choice. Now write it down clearly.
Done. I wrote get healthy in big letters.
Good. But now you need baby steps.
Baby steps, like small actions?
Exactly. Big goals need small daily actions.
So for health, what can I do?
Maybe walk for 15 minutes after dinner.
That sounds simple. I can do that easily.
Yes, small habits are easier to keep.
I like this method. It is not scary anymore.
Now, step 3 is very helpful.
What is step 3?
Get a calendar. A big one you can see every day.
On my phone or on paper?
Paper is better. Hang it on your wall.
Why is a calendar important?
You can see the whole year at once.
And I can mark important dates?
Yes, write birthdays of family members.
Last year I forgot my mother's birthday. She was sad.
Oh no, this year you will remember.
Yes, I will write all the birthdays now.
Also write holidays and vacation time.
Can I plan my holiday in the calendar?
Of course, when you write it, it feels real.
I want to visit the mountains in May. I will write that.
Perfect. You will look forward to it.
This is helpful. What is the next step?
There is something special called a yearly word.
A yearly word? What is that?
You choose one word for the whole year.
Just one word? That is interesting.
Yes, this word guides your decisions.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. My word for next year is joy.
Joy. That is beautiful. Why did you choose it?
Because I want to find happiness in small things every day.
That is a nice goal. What word should I choose?
Think about what you want most.
Maybe my word is grow.
Grow. I love that word. Why grow?
Because I want to grow as a person, learn new skills and ideas.
That is wonderful. When you feel lazy, remember your word.
So, I think my word is grow. I must read that book.
Yes, your word helps you make good choices.
This is powerful. One simple word.
Sam, we teach English here, so we must plan for English learning too.
You are right.
how do we plan English study?
Do not say, I will speak perfect English tomorrow.
But I want to be perfect.
Perfect takes many years. Make small goals.
Like what?
Say, I will watch one English video every Monday.
That is specific and easy.
Or learn 3 new words every week.
3 words per week. That is more than 150 words per year.
Exactly. Small work makes big results.
I feel excited now. I want to start.
One more tip. Buy a new notebook.
A special notebook for planning?
Yes, a fresh notebook feels like a new beginning.
I love new notebooks. They smell nice.
Write your plans inside with colorful pens.
Can I draw pictures too?
Of course! Make it fun and beautiful.
I will buy a green notebook. Green is my favorite.
Wonderful. Now, Sam, are you ready for next year?
Yes, I feel prepared now. I have a clear plan.
Let us review everything for our listeners.
Good idea. Step 1, remember the good things from this year.
Step 2, pick one big goal and make small daily actions.
Step 3. Use a calendar and write important dates.
Step 4. Choose one word for your year.
And Step 5. Plan your English learning with simple habits.
Do not forget to buy a nice notebook.
This is great advice, Lisa. Thank you.
You are welcome. Planning helps reduce worry.
Yes, when I have a plan, my mind feels peaceful.
That is what we want, a calm and happy new year.
I believe next year will be amazing.
Me too, and we will be here every week to help you.
Put us in your calendar. Wednesday is English Learning Day.
I love that idea.
Lisa, is that everything for today?
Yes, we covered all the important points.
I hope everyone found this helpful.
Yes, we want you to have a successful year.
Before we finish, we have a question for you.
Please write in the comments below.
Tell us, what is your word for next year?
Is it love? Is it strong? Is it learn?
We want to hear from you. Please share.
Reading your comments makes us very happy.
And please subscribe if you are new here.
Share this video with friends and family.
Thank you for listening today.
It was great spending time with you.
Goodbye, everyone. Good luck with your planning.
See you in the next video. Bye-bye.